Welcome to Care Credit, the convenient healthcare financing solution. Care Credit gives you the power to finance the care you need or want. When you have Care Credit, there's no need to choose between your well-being and your budget. Because with Care Credit, every time you use your credit card, special financing options are available, great for additional care not covered by insurance, and there is no need to reapply. Just ask your Care Credit provider for details about the plans they offer. As a Care Credit credit card holder, you have a network of over 150,000 providers nationwide who accept the Care Credit card. Our online provider locator makes it easy to find one near you. What's more, you can use your card for yourself, a family member, and even your pets. A brighter smile, perfect skin, seeing clearly for the first time, or better hearing. From the planned to the unexpected, Care Credit opens up a world of possibilities.